What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute. So today I'm gonna make a quick video about the four-wheeler. It will not run. And give me 1 second. Let's go outside, and I will explain a little bit more. All right, guys. So I got my nice little TikTok shop lavalier mic going on here. So if the sound quality is a little off, please forgive me. Trying these out. But so the fourtrax 300, as you can see, everything is taken apart. I did just install some new off-road town LED headlights in here. Sorry guys, I normally would have this up on my gimbal, but my gimbal is dead and it is charging. But let's see. So far, I have replaced, on here, I've replaced the CDI box right there. I just got new coil wire plugged up. This is the old one. I haven't unbolted it yet. As you can see, that this crap is deteriorating really bad. So I've got a brand new one. Let's get this spark plug bolted down real fast. Let's see, spin that. We'll see what she's doing. Alright. Got her all nice and snug down in there with the NGKR plug. Got a brand new coil pack, brand new carburetor. Let's hook the fuel up. Where did the fuel line go? I have it tucked up under the gas tank here. Alright. And I've got to hurry up and try and get this done because, well, weatherman says that we're under severe thunderstorm warning, but, well, look, there's a cloud. I don't see anything in the horizon here. Okay. Alright. Turn the fuel on. We got fuel going down through the filter, straight back to the carburetor. So we have fuel. Let's prime that carb. We have a leak coming from the fuel line itself. But I may have to get a new fuel line, but just for craps and giggles, I do not have this box on right now, because I've been working on it. It's supposed to go in through here, up underneath the gas tank, blah, 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 blah. But, as you see, she is deader than dead. So let's get old Trusty out right here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. All right, let's get her hooked up. Got a good connection. Got power. Let's see what she'll do. Not crap. And then, of course, the jump box has to be reset. But, so, that's with a brand new carburetor, brand new coil wire. I even tried the coil wire off of the GY6 over there, which, peep the sticker my buddy gave me. Oh yeah, penny dropper. On the 88cc big bore kit GY6. Get to swallow some drink because it is a little warm out here. But let's see. So brand new cleaned up plug, which is an NGKR, a brand new coil wire, a brand new CDI box, a brand new carburetor, and I've made sure that everything is right. So let's go get my compression tester. I just got it in the mail. Oh, there it is. Good old trusty Amazon for the win. All right, let's see what we got here. See what we can do. Now, this is my first time trying to use this thing, and nice little packaging here. But let me get this all set up real quick because I am running low on battery. I'm gonna get this all set up, get this crap screwed in to the cylinder here, and then I will be right back. All right. All right, guys. So I moved my mic. It is now hooked up on my glasses. Try and get this. Well, I can show y'all. I finally found the right size. Let's get this down in the cylinder here. See if we can get it on camera. Get this thing down in here. Try not to overdo it. Like I said, this is my first time using this specific compression testing kit. Got that snug down. Let's see, O-ring's not blowed out. So we get a little bit tighter in here. Let me see here. Switch hands. Alright, so we got that in there nice and tight. Nice and tight like a toidle. Alright, I've got my phone plugged up, you guys, so I can't really move it too far. Get this. Let's screw that in. We have 300 psi max on this thing. See if we can get her screwed in real quick. And it's hard because the fuel petcock right there is right in the way. So I'm going to see if I can get this screwed in, and then I'll be right back because I got to use two hands for this. So give me 2 secs. Alright, so we got that. Well, let's see if we can get that screwed in. And I'm hooked over here. Alright, so. Oh, I think I lost y'all for a second on the mic there. My stuff came unplugged. We got that screwed in, and it does not look like the O-ring is blowing out at all on either of the connections. So let's give this a try. Let's get a nice gauge right here. Nice, pretty new gauge. Again, shout out TikTok for the lavalier mic, and shout out to Amazon for the compression tester. Trying to do this one-handed, you guys, so give me a sec. Oh my Jesus, this is harder than I thought. Alright, get that started. That pulled in. Got her in there nice and tight. Alright, I'm just going to drop that real easily. And so now we need to get... battery cable, because it is plugged into my jump back here. Let me get this plugged up. Disconnect this real fast so I can hook it up again. I'm going to go ahead and get these connections on the four-wheeler itself. See what we can do. And our goal is to hopefully we have some compression so that we don't have to rebuild this thing. Because it was running perfectly fine. And I parked it. I went to start it the next day and would not start whatsoever. And so I figured CDI box. Changed it. Still same thing. I was like, okay, well, look, I checked it. It looked like it was getting some weak spark. So that's when I changed the coil wire and the spark plug. Still the same thing. Then I changed out the carburetor because the carburetor was leaking. So I figured might as well go ahead and swap it out. So now we're doing a compression test to see what she's doing. So let me get this. This battery pack will short out very fast. Well, not short out, but go into limp mode very quickly. All right, got power here, got power there. Get down here at the gauge. And we have no movement whatsoever. Hold on a second. Let me reset this jump pack. As you can hear it screaming at me. Alright guys, so again, they're all hooked up. There is no leaks. I double tested it. There's no leaks in that. We got a jump box hooked up. It's about dead, but you can see we got power here. Let's give her a shot. After this, I don't know. That is what we did not want to see. Gauge is not moving at all, indicating that we have no compression at all on this thing, which means the top end of this 300 is completely freaking shot. Hopefully the next video on this 300 will be me tearing it down and doing a full top end rebuild. Hopefully I can get that done here in the next couple of weeks. Depends on what money is looking like. So hopefully I can get the funds together to make sure all the bills are paid first. But hopefully we can get this thing tore down, get a new piston, new jug, new rings, you know, new valves in the head. I'm just going to rebuild the stock head, new valves, new valve springs, valve seals, and then a whole top end kit with piston rings, jug, you know, with so hopefully we can get this thing rebuilt and get her back running and make some freaking content with the four-wheeler for you guys. And I mean, I guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for stopping in real quick. And this won't be the last time you see this 300 on this channel. Y'all have a good one. This is Southern Chaos. I'll check you on the next one. I'm out.